So this is a one-bedroom studio with a king. It also has a queen pull-out sofa. These are attached to the one-bed king deluxes, which we have 2 deluxes in this studio unit for this weekend. Each unit can sleep up to 4 guests. So if you have the 3 like we do, you're looking at having sleeping capacity for 12 people. This cabin's 178, rooms 22 A, B, and C. This is up near the 7,000 building. These are newer cabins. They do have the newer layouts, newer furnishings, more of a modern furnishing. All 3 units do have stackable washers and dryers. Like I say, this is adjoining with the deluxe rooms, which we have a 3-room setup this week. This is the first time of us using the 3 rooms like this. We're here for a 4-day weekend, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This is one of the larger units, the deluxe units. The video we had priorly posted was from 2023. We left a lot of this stuff out, so I wanted to do a more in-depth video this time around so people knew more about what was available in these units when they got here. This one's pretty well equipped. Like I said, I believe it's a fairly new unit. Plenty of cabinetry storage for food items and whatever else you may need. Out of the 2 larger units, they are both similarly equipped. Things just aren't in necessarily the same places or locations. I know I'm moving through this stuff kind of fast. You can always slow it down and pause it to get a count. This unit does have a full-size dishwasher, and they do provide some cleaning items and towels. If more items are needed, you can call and request those or use the text line. Again, this is Smoky Mountain Westgate Resort, or Westgate Smoky Mountain Resort. We've been owners here since 2016. The biggest difference in these rooms I've noticed is they've taken out the stone faced fireplace and mantle setup. And these are like a tile backsplash. Still have the fireplaces though. Again, this one has a stackable washer and dryer. This unit has a half bath option, as well with the master bath, which consists of the sink and the toilet, and the lavatory. And this is the master bath for this unit. Similar to the bath in the studio style. You do have your toiletries and paper products, tissues and extra toilet paper, your soaps and lighted mirrors, cabinet space, extra linens. This one doesn't appear to have a hair dryer. I know the other unit, the smaller studio style unit, Does have a hair dryer. But most of the time these are rented together. This unit, being the larger unit, does have the jacuzzi tub in the bedroom, the master bedroom. Gimbal's giving me fits. Do have a wall safe, extra bed linens, ironing board, closet features. Here is the on master jacuzzi tub for this room. Do have USB outlets and 110 outlets, micro USB outlets. It looks like the TVs do have Netflix, so they look like they're a smart TV setup. We haven't got that far yet. Do have a balcony door here. We'll go out the balcony through the living room. This is looking towards the spur. And then there's your fan settings. Again, there's a couch. It has a queen sleeper sofa in it. And then this is your balcony entrance from the living room. This is a view from this master unit. And that would be looking headed towards Pigeon Forge. And then there's downtown Gatlinburg. The Park Vista's down there on the hill. You have the rocker Adirondack style chairs. They do have a child safety lock on the patio doors. Four-place seating at the table, 3 at the bar. Like I said, these are adjoining units. And then this is the other deluxe unit. Same setup as the one we were just in. Then the fourth part of the unit would be the D unit, and it is similar to the first unit we went in. And your empty cabinets. I know for a lot of people, if you're like we were when we first started coming here, we often wondered what was in these units. I know you can call down and request certain items if they're not present. It used to be you had a list of what was supposed to be in the rooms, but I haven't seen that in a couple years. And you got your cookie sheet, your pizza pan. Toasters, blenders. We don't do a lot of cooking in these units when we come. We usually just make snacks and breakfast and things like that. I know a lot of people do full-on groceries, but for us, that takes away from the vacation part of it. like I say, they all have pretty much the same items in them. Sometimes it's like an Easter egg hunt, figuring out where they're at. And I'll pan out and get a good shot of this kitchen once we finish touring the drawers here. The refrigerators are all new stainless steel GE appliance with ice makers. Each unit has its own HVAC, so you're not sharing with the other half of the units. Like I say, these are more of a modern contemporary, where the others were, the older cabins after the fire were more of like a old cabin, rustic style setup. Which either way, I mean, as long as they keep up with them and take care of them, that's the most important thing. And the people that come stay take care of them, don't just trash them. These aren't hotel rooms. The owners do pay maintenance fees that go up every year because renters come in and destroy units because they don't have anything in the hunt. But it's something that we really enjoy coming and visiting and being here. We'll go out this door for this unit. Like I say, this is the master of the second deluxe unit. The patios are not connected because these are lock-off units, but it's the same setup. You got your rockers and your table. King beds, both your USBs and outlets. This is the jacuzzi room, just like the other unit. You have your furniture. There are some wears and tears and scratches to them. These units are motion activated. Extra linens and pillows for the other beds. Of course, your indoor safes. Bathroom's the same setup. Facilities are all the same. There I am. And you do have a air dryer in this unit. And these drawers are the same as the others, empty for storage. We're not going to go through all of them. Extra linens. Then you have your lighted mirror. I believe it's a lighted mirror. It might just be a mirror. And then this one has a half bath as well. If you like what you see, we'll try to get some more videos while we're down here in the Smokies. We're down here for my daughter's 21st birthday, so I'm sure we'll be into some festivities. But if you like it, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.